All right, so now we're going to look at a second example, and just like we did in the previous one, label your points x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we're going to find the slope again. Remember, it is going to be m is equal to y2 minus y1. Notice how I put in a minus and -4 over x2 minus x1. Minus minus turns into plus here on top, which gives me 7 over -5 minus 2 is 7, and since they're both negative, that's negative. Remember, a positive divided by a negative is a negative, and then it's going to be 1. Then we're going to use this first point to rewrite it in point slope form. So y minus y1 was -4, which equals -1, which was my slope, times x minus 2. Now, before we distribute, I want to look at this left-hand side. I want to make that y plus 4. Remember, minus a negative is a plus, and that's going to be equal to distribute -1x, and a negative times a negative is a positive 2. And then my last step would be to subtract 4 to the other side to get y by itself. And my final answer is y equals -x minus 2. And you can put -1x, that's fine, but your slope would be -1 in this case, and your y-intercept, which is the b value, would be -2.